Hey, I'm Leif Mackay, Principal at RRM Design Group.
Hi, my name is Wormhoudt. I'm a landscape architect.
And we're in San Luis Obispo today to share with you a few things about one of our favourite projects.
The SLO skate park is one of the most cherished projects that I've ever been a part of.
The San Luis Obispo skate park was designed by RRM Design Group and Wormhoudt Incorporated.
The design development came out of an elaborate community outreach process, community workshops that were hands-on workshops, business people, church groups, schools, neighbors, skaters of the area. The balance of terrain in a skate park, along with designing a park that's going to function in the safest possible way. It's a tricky process. It's truly the most important part of any skate park design.
One of the more successful parts of the skate park is the way it's nestled into the shared spaces around the perimeter, such as an amphitheater, sometimes used for skate park tournaments, and it's also sometimes used for small community events. It's organic shaped and it really blends in well with the surrounding uses. There's a plaza between the skate park and the roller hockey rink right next to me here that's a shared use. So occasionally small bleachers will be brought in and face one way or the other depending on where the event's happening. And it also serves as a great waiting area for parents. It's really easy to see in and out of, so it's easy for the city staff to see in. It's easy for parents to see their kids from most places, and it just really has an open, welcoming feeling to it. The signature, most identifiable thing about this SLO skate park is these trees you see behind me. The concrete jungle was their theme that we carried through. You can see they're actually skatable too, which is amazing as well. RRM and Wormhoudt worked really hard on the edge conditions all around the skate park to make them creative and interesting.
The adjacent and interwoven landscape design.
This was an entirely flat site before this design was implemented. Part of our design brief was to really try to make this a family-friendly park. This peninsula helps parents get all the way into the skate park and watch their kids coming into the park so they feel like they're part of their child's experience. This wave feature that you're looking at, a couple of local surfers showed up at the workshop with Zach and modeled this thing out of clay. It's one of the iconic signature features of the park. This pool coping, which is images of skateboard decks. As you can see, the park is right adjacent to some apartment buildings. Below ground flow features are closer to the residents because they're inherently quieter than the street course across the way here.
It's always great when a skate park becomes more than just a solution to a problem. The SLO skate park really is the perfect example of that. There's full integration with all the site improvements. It's an amazing sculptural park. It incorporates public art on numerous levels. And it's a place that I think the entire San Luis Obispo community cherishes and feels a sense of pride about.
Well, there you have it. Thanks for hanging out with us today at SLO Skate Park. I hope you enjoyed it. We're really proud of it and thank you very much.
As a skater, it's a great place to go.